Respiration. Respiration is the controlled release of energy from food using oxygen.
Energy carriers are small molecules that help to transport other molecules and to produce energy. Adenosine diphosphate, also known as ADP, is a low-energy molecule composed of adenine, ribose, and 2 phosphates. When another phosphate is added, ADP turns into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is a high-energy molecule. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, is a low-energy molecule. When a hydrogen proton and 2 electrons are added, it turns into NADH. NADH is a high-energy molecule.
There are 2 stages in respiration. The first stage is called glycolysis. This is an anaerobic process and does not require oxygen. It occurs in the cytosol. In this process, one glucose molecule composed of 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen is broken down into 2 carbon sugars called pyruvic acid. The protons released from glycolysis is used by ADP to form ATP. The electrons released from glycolysis is used by NAD+ to form NADH. Stage 2 of respiration is called Krebs cycle. This is an aerobic process and requires oxygen. It takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria. The pyruvic acid formed during glycolysis loses a carbon atom and turns into acetyl-CoA. The carbon atom combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. NAD+ collects 2 high-energy electrons that are released during the process and forms NADH. NADH then enters the electron transport chain. Acetyl-CoA is broken down into carbon and energy in the form of protons and electrons. The carbon combines with oxygen and forms carbon dioxide, which is exhaled. The protons and electrons are absorbed by NAD+, which forms NADH, and enters the electron transport chain. Energy is also produced in the form of ATP, which is made when an ADP molecule combines with phosphates from Krebs cycle. This process continues in a circular motion and is why it is called a cycle.
The electron transport chain is located on the inner membrane of the mitochondria. The electrons collected by NAD+ from the previous processes are passed on from the NADH to many other carriers before it reaches the chain. Each time it is passed on, some of the energy is released and used to make ATP. Water is also released when the electrons are passed on. The production of ATP by this system is called oxidative phosphorylation and requires oxygen. At the end, the remaining low-energy electrons combine with oxygen and the hydrogen from the original NADH molecule to form water.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.